Computers in our daily lives is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequence or arithmetic or logical operation. Electronics device that manipulates information or data. Computer used to type documents and email, play games, or browse the web and create presentation, even videos. Computers is na manipula na information o data, computer machine na gagamitin para makatype or makadocument and makasend ng email. Makadula og games, mag-create og presentation or school presentation. Og maka-create og videos. Computer ay isang uri ng teknolohiya kung saan dito ay nakaka-search ka sa internet or maka-communicate ka sa relatives mo na nasa malayo. Different types of computer. Desktop computer is one designed to use in one fixed location, unlike laptops or tablets, even though not have batteries or a touch screen, but instead use traditional desktop computer components such as keyboard and mouse. Desktop computer. Desktop computer ay walang baterya at hindi siya touchscreen at saka keyboard at mouse lang ang gamitin para ma-on yung machine. Number 2, laptop computer. A laptop, sometimes called a notebook computer by manufacturer. A laptop can be easily transferred and used in temporary space such as on airplanes, in libraries, temporary office, and at meeting. Minsan, ang laptop computers ay tinatawag na notebook computer. Ang laptop ay pwede mo siya dalhin kahit saan, sa airplane, libraries, or at saka meetings. Ang kaibahan lang ng desktop computer at saka laptop computer ay yung desktop computer ay hindi mo siya pwedeng dalhin. At saka yung laptop computer ay kahit saan mo siya pwede dalhin kasi yung laptop computer ay may baterya. Number 3, tablet computers. Tablet computers are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. Tablets are notebook-sized mobile computers. Tablet computers, ay example niya ay yung iPad. Yung tablet computers ay madala mo siya kahit saan. At saka notebook size lang yung kalaki niya at saka komportable mo siya gagamitin. Number 4, server is a computer that serves up information to other computers on a network. For example, whenever you use the internet, you're looking at something that's stored on a server. Server, makita nimo tanan information into computer to computer, like pag mag-search ka gamit ang internet, makita nimo tanan. Different types of computer: smartphones, game consoles, TV, and wearables. How does computer work and interpret data? A computer is an electronic machine that can process information. In other words, an information processor. Isa siya sa electronic machine na makaprocess og information o tinatawag na information processor. How does computer communicate with one another to each other? Computer connect to each other and to the internet via wires, cable, radio waves, and other types of networking infrastructure. Computer connect via wires, cables, radio waves, mao maka-access siya sa lain through cable and radio waves o sa lain networking infrastructure. Advantage of internet: secure and less prone to external interference and provide data security. Secure at hindi gaanong madaling kapitan ng palabas na interference at nagbibigay ng seguridad na data. Maintain data quality and provide high-speed data transmission. Mapanatili ang kalidad ng data at nagbibigay ng mataas na at mabilis na paghatid ng data. Less complex due to being wired in connection and provide much better transmission data. Hindi gaanong komplikado dahil sa pagiging hangin sa isang connection at nagbibigay ng mas mahusay na data. Disadvantage of internet: more suited for short distance connection. Mas angkop para sa short distance connection. Use of longer cable can create crosstalk. O decrease kapag nag-i-increase yung disadvantage of Ethernet. More suited for short distance connection. Mas angkop para sa short distance connection. Use of longer cable can create crosstalk. Ang paggamit ng mahabang cable ay maaring lumikha ng crosstalk. Use of longer cable ay speed decrease with increased traffic. Mo decrease kapag nag-i-increase yung traffic. Advantage of Wi-Fi: convenient to access the internet network from any available location. Mas madali ka maka-access sa Wi-Fi kahit saan ka pumunta, pwede ka maka-access sa network. Do not require any wire or cable installation, is faster and easier. Hindi na siya nangangailangan ng anumang wire o cable. Madali lang i-install at saka easy lang at hindi kagaya ng internet. Allowed and improper arbitrary communication of data resulting to a faster transfer of information. Mas madali ka makakommunicate sa Wi-Fi, mas madali ka makakukuha ng informasyon kapag Wi-Fi ang iyong gamit. Allow the user to communicate because of easy access availability. Dapat payagan mo yung user na makakommunicate kasi madali lang itong maka-access. Disadvantage of Wi-Fi: more exposed to attacks by unauthorized user and most vulnerable to hacking. Mas malantad ang mga nag-atake ng hindi autorisadong mga user at pinaka-vulnerable sa pag-hack.